This is the exact AI side hustle system anyone can copy, and it's working right now. No courses, no coding, no ads. Just a simple system that turns AI into income, step by step. Miss one, it fails. Do all three, it works. Step 1 is input. You tell AI exactly what problem to solve. Not vague, specific. This is the foundation of the entire system. Instead of asking AI to just write something cool, you give it a mission. Think of yourself as a director and the AI as your talented, but literal-minded actor. It needs precise instructions to give a great performance. If you just say make a video, you'll get a random mess. But if you tell it to create a video about a specific topic, for a specific audience, with a specific goal, the results are night and day. The key is to move from broad ideas to razor-sharp commands. For example, create short scripts that solve one problem, for one audience, in under 60 seconds. Let's break that down. Short scripts means it's for short-form video. Solve one problem gives it a clear purpose, for one audience defines the target viewer, and in under 60 seconds sets the time constraint. Every word in your prompt matters. Specificity is your superpower here. Instead of saying write about fitness, try write a 50-second script for busy moms explaining a quick 5-minute morning stretch routine. See the difference? One is a wish. The other is a command. This is how you get high-quality content from AI consistently. Step 2 is automation. AI writes, AI formats, AI prepares content every single day. This is where the magic really happens. Once you've perfected your input, you build a workflow that lets the AI do the heavy lifting. You don't work more, the system does. The goal is to set up a process where the AI takes your perfect prompt and generates a month's worth of content while you raid doing something else. Imagine having 30 scripts perfectly formatted and ready to go, all scheduled out in a calendar. This isn't about working harder or grinding for hours. It's about building a machine that works for you. You are the architect of the system, not the laborer. The AI becomes your tireless content creation assistant that never needs a coffee break. Here's where most people mess this up. They get the content, but they have no idea what to do with it. They post it once and then wonder why it didn't go viral. They've missed the most critical part of the system. Step 3 is distribution. Same content, different formats. This is how you multiply your impact without multiplying your effort. You take that one piece of content the AI created and you repurpose it for every major platform. That one script becomes a YouTube short, a TikTok video, and an Instagram reel. You post once and let the platforms do the work. Each platform has its own algorithm and its own audience. By being on all of them, you're tripling your chances of getting seen. You're casting a wider net and letting the algorithms find the right people for your content. You aren't creating 3 pieces of content. You're creating one piece and distributing it in 3 places. It's maximum reach for minimum effort. So why does this system work so well? It's simple. Algorithms reward consistency, not effort. The platforms want creators who show up every single day. But who has time for that? Well, with this system, you do. AI gives you the consistency. You give the direction. Your job is to be the strategist, to point the AI in the right direction and set up the distribution machine. The AI handles the daily grind of creation, ensuring you're always feeding the algorithms with fresh content. Your analytics start to climb not because you're working 18-hour days, but because you've built a smart system that works for you around the clock. That's the leverage. If you want more systems like this, subscribe to AI Side Hustle Academy. No hype, just systems that work.